What's up, guys? It is your boy Hassan Mahmoud, and today I'm going to talk about the 5 cryptocurrencies that you should be investing in 2020. 2020 is here, and I gotta say my crypto wallet's going up, and it's got me excited. So I wanted to share with you guys some coins that I'm currently invested in that I think you could really help you start seeing your stuff go up. Okay, so these are the 5 coins that I picked for this year. The first one we're going to start with is Ethereum. As you can see here, Ethereum is based on a popular DApp processing platform. It's unbelievably innovative, and it's exactly where it derives its power from. Okay, so it's backed by something. Does that make sense? If usually in cryptocurrency, there's so many that come out, but if it's not backed by something, you should absolutely run the other way. Okay. So according to the live price tracker, the coins currently cost over about $270 US. But again, 2020 predictions are pretty optimistic. We'll see where it goes from here. Some analysts even claim that Ethereum can even reach Bitcoin, which it's possible. I mean, if you think about it, it's like the fuel behind Bitcoin. So we'll just see how the market goes with that. Although we disagree with this statement, we also believe Ethereum is going to grow this year. So the reason why it's like a double, contradiction is I believe Ethereum could possibly, some analysts believe that Ethereum could, skyrocket over Bitcoin. But what you got to remember is that Bitcoin is like gold, right? And the way I look at it, Ethereum's like silver. And anytime Ethereum goes up, it's going to make Bitcoin what? Go up. So we'll see. There may be a time in our life where we see Ethereum beat that. So number 1, Ethereum. Number 2, your boy, the guy that, started it all, Bitcoin. This is definitely the most promising of the list. The list would be incomplete without Bitcoin. Like I said, it's like talking about fiat currency without mentioning gold, right? Fiat currency doesn't make sense. The euro, the USD, the Great British Pound, the yen, none of these would make sense. You can't even talk if real gold bars were backing it up. And Bitcoin is definitely the backbone and foundation of all cryptocurrencies. So after 3 years of major ups and downs, Bitcoin has finally stabilized. This past year in 2019, it currently stands at about $11,700. So it's finally starting to stabilize, which is a good thing. This is a very good solution for investors who want to play safely and are looking for a small long-term return on investments. Remember, with crypto, with any investments you make yourself, your goal isn't to get rich overnight. There's people who can short the market, make these quick gains because they have the wealth to do that. But where you make the crazy amount of wealth is holding on to it and looking at it like an investment. Next year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years down the line. You got to think about the future, right? Third coin, Litecoin. Yeah, this is kind of bothering you guys. Sorry, I'm OCD. The third coin is Litecoin. Now, Litecoin may be much cheaper than Bitcoin or Ethereum, but it doesn't really reflect its full market potential. Okay. For this reason, I think you investing in Litecoin could be a huge opportunity for all of you clever business people. And the reason why, well, it costs, I think, like somewhat more than $100 less. You don't have to risk too much money. Like, what is $100? It's not that much money. Even if you have a full-time job, that's like maybe a 10th, maybe a 14th of your income that you can invest. So it's not too much risk. And secondly, Litecoin has technical preconditions to become a global transaction network, which is way more than enough reason why you should consider putting some money in Litecoin. If you think about it, the whole world possibly might be using this coin. Think about how it would go up. And what, $100? Nothing crazy, right? Ripple. Number 4, Ripple. Another cryptocurrency with the potential to dominate the market is Ripple. I had friends that invested in Ripple when it was 1/10 of a penny, and they made a killing. And I'll never forget this day. He actually called me up. And I was like, no, I don't know about this crypto thing. It sounds like a scam. And he told me about it. And within a month of that day, he made an insane amount of money. And all he told me was invest was like $500. He's like, dude, whatever you have, just throw it in Ripple and see what happens. And a month from there, it hit, like it tripled. And then a year from there, I think it went from 1/10 of a penny to almost like 20 cents, 25 cents, maybe a couple dollars, I think, actually $1. And then it came back down, but at that time he sold and he made a lot of money. So like I said, right now I believe Ripple's at 33 cents at the time of this video, but things could change quickly if Ripple becomes the official solution for banking infrastructures. Some people say that Visa and Western Union might soon embrace Ripple as their under-hood technology, which is a big deal because like money is transferred so much from banks all day through wire transactions. Western Union, like you send money from the US to Mexico or Palestine or Africa or Asia, wherever, Western Union gets these crazy fees. And if people start using Ripple as that source, the more people that get on Ripple, they'll, Western Union, the biggest ones out there, they're going to be, they want to back that up. So I definitely would say check Ripple out as well. And the last one is going to be Neo. Neo currently costs almost $15, but I am sure it will grow, I believe, significantly in 2020. It's one of those, the coin's infrastructure is full of potential, and it's the main reason why the Chinese government is also thinking about joining the Neo game. So that'd be big. Think about a government that backs it up because they're seeing the power behind the coin. Now, if this happens anytime soon, Neo might as well become one of the most profitable cryptocurrencies for agile investors for the sole fact of China's like the biggest government out there. So my conclusion, which I always have to say this, guys, investing in cryptocurrencies can be highly profitable business opportunity for you. You got to think about it like you're at work, you have a day job, you're going to school, you're a parent. You need something over here that's always working while you're working over here, right? So it could be a highly profitable business opportunity, but you could, there's risk, right? But what is it? It's like pennies right now, right? But you have to be able to, you got to be able to follow the market trends as well, watch the news. Self-education, I'm really big on this. I'm going to highlight it. Self-education is the most important thing. Don't just listen to me. Don't listen to just some other person. After you hear something, go educate yourself on it and see why people are saying that, This is a long-term game plan. Don't plan on getting rich overnight. Okay, this is a long-term game plan. Same thing with Forex. Crypto, Forex, stocks. This is a long-term game plan, okay? You need something to work for you that you can somewhat control. So in this video, I have showed you guys why to trade with digital currencies, and I presented you the 5 best coins that I believe are going to do really well in 2020. The cryptocurrencies we discussed are the most promising options in my opinion, but let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I would love to hear your guys' opinions. I would love to hear about some other coins that you guys might have heard of that maybe I haven't noticed yet. And to end this video real quick with a quick disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. You can make a lot of money trading. You can lose a lot of money, right? You got to control your own risk management. So that being said, I love you guys. Thank you. And stay tuned for another video. Peace.